morning, everyone. Before we begin, I'd like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of this land, the Kurrarong people, and pay my respects to their elders past, present and emerging. Just a reminder to everyone from year 6 to 12 must have a mask on today. And as we move to remote learning, let's make sure that we continue to do all the right things and follow the rules so we all return to school ASAP, and just keep up with your work and make sure you do your best. So good luck, everyone.
So we would like to congratulate the following students who received a class award this week. Foundation 1, Regan G, for trying your best even when things are hard. Jack Billing, for always being kind and thinking of others. Year 1-2, Millie McGuigan, for the hard work you've been putting into your reading. Great effort. Ruby Russell, for your enthusiasm in writing sessions. You always have a red hot go. Year 3, Lexi Ma, for showing great resilience and persistence in Big Write. Year 4-5, Taj O'Brien, for creatively using a writer's voice throughout his writing. Kanya Burgess, for using vocabulary and techniques in your writing that inspires others. Year 4-5G, Xander Clark, for the time and effort you're putting into your writing. And Michaela McDonald, for taking on challenges in maths and becoming a subtraction pro. Also, a big happy birthday to the following: Chloe Goldsworthy, Spencer Sagnall, Brady McDonald, Taylor Rowan, Kaylee Borden, and Nick Power.
We'll now go to a commercial break.
Adverts that should be made for products that don't exist. Matter of fact, I got it now. Oh, sorry everyone, that was Mask 4. Good morning. Welcome to our online assembly. I've got the old homemade sock mask. Just remember, don't make the mistake I did. I should have gone to the clean sock pile to make my face mask. I hope I don't get tinea of the nose. But anyway, on a serious note, we're in the mask today, and we're in the mask for a while. And there's certain things you need to do and remember when wearing your face mask. And I've got our local face mask expert, Tane, face mask dementor, to explain all the do's and don'ts about face masks. Over to you, Tane.
Yep, so I've been asked today to show how you should properly put on a mask and how you should take off a mask when you need to eat or drink or anything like that. So the first step before you even touch your mask is you need to hand sanitize or you need to wash your hands. That way you're not putting any of the germs that you've brought from the outside into your mask or anywhere near your face. The next step is preferably you need to have your mask in a Ziploc bag. This stops anything from the outside getting in near or in your mask. When you put on your mask, try only to hold the mask by the ends. So rather than grabbing it by the face or inside, just hold it by the ends out here. Pull it tight, put the nose groove onto your nose, your chin groove onto your chin, and wrap it around your ears. And then pull only on the outsides to kind of firm it up. Then when you get to needing to have a drink or getting to play lunch, you grab it by the ears again, you pull it off, you fold it in half, and you put it back in your Ziploc bag, and you repeat the whole process again when you come back in from recess.
No worries. All right.
Sweet.
Thanks, Tone, for those helpful hints. All right, good on you. We'll see you later. All right. As we all know, we're at school today, then we're on a curriculum day, and then we are back in our remote flexible learning. We are still waiting for some official rules and regs and different points about our new bout of remote learning. So we will get that out to you as soon as possible. Just a number of things we have sent out, or will be sending out this morning, the old form if you need some childcare options. There's a form that needs to be filled in. We'll need that back by tomorrow so that we know how we can staff that. And this will be a process that will continue on each week while we're back in our lockdown. All right. I'm just really asking if all students, staff and parents, we're just going to have to practice a bit of patience. It is a frustrating time. We don't have all the information at hand, but it will come out, and we'll just keep on being flexible and adapt. And it'll probably look a little bit differently than it did last time, but we'll see how we go. We're just lucky that majority of us have got our Chromebooks. We need to make sure that we keep logging in every day and seeing what work we need to complete. All right. Probably year prep to year fives. The last couple of weeks we've had our avocado sessions, and look, two key words that we've learned is empathy and gratitude. So empathy, feeling about thinking about others and walking in their shoes, and what better time to practice that, because there's a lot of people out there that might be having difficulties. How can we make their lives better? All right, mums and dads are under a fair bit of pressure, people in the community, so we need to really practice that skill of empathy and walking in someone else's shoes. And gratitude. I know it's probably hard, we think, why us, but we should be thankful that we are out in the community. We're only in stage 3. We don't want to go into stage 4. We're actually lucky that we can still get out and about and do our exercise. Yes, we mightn't be able to go and visit all our friends, but we have a fair bit more freedom than what our city counterparts do. So they're under curfew at 8 o'clock at night, and lots of other rules in place. So at least we still have a fair bit of freedom that we can do. All right, so let's keep practicing our empathy and gratitude. Look, we are masking up. It's a good habit to get into it from today. Remember, once it's on, you don't really need to be touching it. Otherwise, you do need to sanitise all the time. So once it's on, leave it on, and sanitise if you have to put it back on. It's probably... Look, the governor put these rules in place, and it's just best that we follow the rules. That's why I think, unfortunately, some people didn't do the right thing, and yes, it might have been people in the city that have done the wrong thing, or that's the situation we're in. So it's best just to follow the rules, and that's what we're going to do at Mortlake P-12 College. We've just got to do what we've been asked, and then together, hopefully, we can beat the old COVID. My MVPs, the ABC source, MVPs of the week. My 2 students for this week. Thanks for being MVPs at Mortlake P-12 College. We really appreciate the way you're engaging in your studies, having a red hot go at everything. It's fantastic to see that you're making the most of your final year at school. So you have to keep it up during the remote learning. So well done to Matilda Hetherington. And my other MVP, thank you for all your hard work and really engaging in your studies. And well done on pushing yourself and doing some extra credits as a university course as well. So well done to Caitlin Fowler. My staff MVPs of the week. First one goes to Mrs. Partridge. Thank you. We really appreciate the way you've looked after the staff and students. What an outstanding effort. You've had a red hot go at making hundreds of masks and showing people how to do it. So thank you, Mrs. Partridge. And our other staff MVP goes to Miss Damon. So we really like the way that you've come into our school. You've been enthusiastic. You're really working hard to meet everyone, and we enjoy having you around at Mortlake P-12 College. So well done there. All I can say is keep working together. Make sure you're communicating. Make sure you're checking in on your family, friends, checking in with your teachers. Yes, it is difficult. Yes, it is frustrating. But this is where we've got to show our true resilience and keep bouncing back. When times are tough, dig in and work with a team of people, and we'll come out the other side quicker than we know it. All right. So the sun will be shining brighter in a month or so, and it'll be great to get back to school. So stay safe, sanitise, look after yourselves, and we'll see you as soon as possible. Bye.